If you're considering becoming a doTERRA or Young Living essential oil distributor, I've made this video specifically for you. My name is Lucas. I own yoga studios. I run training programs, and I've seen these essential oils kind of infiltrate the yoga community, and I don't like it at all. Multi-level marketing is a horrible business model that's built on failure. All of the statistics from third parties show that about 50% of people lose money, meaning they don't make any money. About 25% of people, maybe 27% of people break even, and a very, very small percentage of people make a very small percentage of money. This is a really bad business model that's unnecessary today. Why would you need a yoga teacher to sell you essential oils when you could buy them on Amazon? Why would you need somebody to knock on your door or throw an essential oil party to sell you essential oils? I'll tell you why you need them, because there's illegal activity that are promoted by these big companies. Here's what happens. Both Essential Oil and Young Living are great manufacturers. Their products are excellent. I want to make that clear. I like these products. I've used these products. I really, really believe in them. Their business model is what really stinks, and it's unethical. And here's what happens. These essential oil companies, they want to make medical claims. They want to say that this oil cures cancer, and this oil relieves migraines, and this oil is good for digestion, and this one's good for PMS. But they can't do that because it's illegal, it's untrue, and it's dangerous. They also want to say that you should eat the oils, but this is, again, not something they can say. So instead, what they do is they get these distributors, very often these yoga teachers, and they get them to make these claims. And they're able to distance themselves from the people making the medical claims. And then the big company doesn't get in trouble. The distributor is too small for anyone to bother. The regulators don't bother. And they get away with this really unethical business model. I want to emphasize both Young Living and doTERRA oils are great oils. Their business model stinks. It's based on manipulating yoga communities. It's based on manipulating religious and tight-knit closed group communities. Most people are losing money or breaking even. And worst of all, they're making medical claims that are totally unfounded. These days, it's much easier just to buy essential oils online. They're cheaper, they're just as high quality, and you can get them efficiently. These unfounded medical claims, these dangerous practices of ingesting oils, none of this stuff makes any sense, so I'd really encourage you to stay away. If you're interested in finding distributors or wholesale manufacturers or contract manufacturers for essential oils, I don't sell oils, but I can certainly put you in touch with some companies who could make stuff for you. I have no interest in being in the essential oil business, but if you want to, just get in touch and I'll send you some so you can make your own brand. You can make, Jane's essential oils, whatever it is. You don't need this crazy business model to do it. If you're a yoga teacher, there's lots of different ways you can diversify your income. Again, I'm business positive. I support all of that, but stay away from these essential oils.